Hey guys, welcome to our channel Just at Cloud Double A.
So guys, this is a very special video for all of us because we have completed 1 month on our YouTube channel.
So thank you so much guys for all the love you have showed, and thank you for supporting us throughout, and hopefully you will
Continue this.
Thank you so much.
Everglass, pour it up. Waterfall, liquor in my cup, like yeah. Raise a toast, here's to you. Celebrate the shit you put me through, like yeah. So tell me everything in your head. I won't be angry if you're needing space. I'll orbit, won't be a stranger. I'm leaving, got reasons. If you don't need me here, call Houston, it's your problem. I'm done with your atmosphere, like yeah. I'm drinking to forget you, wish I never met you. Star-crossed lovers, now I'm crossing out my exes. You used to be someone special, now everything's so judgmental. Tell me everything in your head. I won't be angry if you're needing space. I'll orbit, won't be a stranger. I'm leaving, got reasons. If you don't need me here, call Houston, it's your problem. I'm done with your atmosphere, like yeah. Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war. All the things they said to hold her back, they keep her locked inside of all the times when she's been hurt before. Her eyes are swollen as she tries to hold her tears back. Her hands are shaking and her palms are sweating as she says, I don't wanna listen to a word you say, telling me what I can become. And I've been looking forward to this day, the day I prove you
So guys, please like,
Comment
share
and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to press the bell icon.